Hello everyone, welcome to my channel IndiaGATE. This is Nandani Sharma and this video is most important for the AFCAT candidate who will be give the examination of the AFCAT 220 on 4th and 5th October, because here I analysis and we analysis the AFCAT 2 2020 paper or examination. Here also we talk about the analysis about the AFCAT EKT cutoff. So come to the topic. So here firstly we analysis the paper AFCAT paper. So here four section in the AFCAT paper. First is regional, second is aptitude, third is English, and fourth is your general awareness. So talk about the reasoning. So reasoning is very easy, plus the most important things is the reasoning questions are coming from the previous year paper. So previous year paper basis reasoning is also coming here, also containing the 2 to 3 questions from the previous year. And now come to the aptitude. So aptitude is always going to be moderate and we say the average, but now in this lesson and in this examination of the 3rd October, the aptitude is going to be up level of the average. And come to the here English. So English is very easy as per the observation and other information of the students and candidates. So it is very easy, and also plus ask from the previous year paper from the English. And here come to the general affairs. So one most important things about general affairs, you can't and never read the current affairs. Why? Because here nothing asking from the current affairs in the AFCAT paper in the shift 1 and shift 2. So we suggest you not consider mostly and not concentration on the current affairs, but you have to consider on the others like GK, sports, mostly questions coming from the sports, books and authors, missiles, as well as your or history, civics, politics, and other. So you should consider all these things. Okay. Now overall we say that the analysis of the AFCAT paper is slightly difficult as day by day and yearly wise yearly. Okay. Now come to the next, that is EKT. So here EKT paper at this session is going to be up. Why? Because I don't know, but here the EKT paper is difficult in this session. Okay, but it is not be difficult, we say that moderate. Why? Because here Laplace Fourier transformation is asked, and there are at least 1 to 3 to 5 questions asked from the Laplace and Fourier transformation. Okay, so this is the most important, and you just not going to the here just a high level of the questions of the Laplace and Fourier. You just go through the basics of Laplace and Fourier transformation formulas and method. Okay, and second is your matrices. Here also ask from the matrices like your orthogonal, skew matrices, real symmetric matrices, and all. And also ask from the questions from eigenvalue and eigenvector. So these are the most important, because in the matrices also asking questions from 2 to 3, and here in the eigenvalue eigenvector, total number of the questions coming from the eigenvalue is 2 to 5. So you should just consider these most important topics. And fourth is coming from your subject, that is your electronics. Here mostly ask question from the transistor, which contains at least 3 to 5 questions. Plus here also asking from the very easy type of the numericals, which is based on the your collector, emitter, and base type of the questions. So you just go through like this the topics also. Plus coming from the some questions, some semiconductor, PNP and PNP junctions. Okay, And last most important point is point fifth. Here 25 question is coming from the specialized branch, means your mechanical, computer science and other branches. Okay, now come to the next, that is your analysis of the AFCAT paper and EKT cutoff. So as per the previous year paper and previous session, that is AFCAT first 2020, so cutoff is going to the above the 150. Okay, but at this time, as per the information of social media and other platforms, so we get here the AFCAT paper and AKT paper is going to be difficult. So here difficulty of the paper is not very high, but we say that yes, at this time the paper of EKT and AFCAT is going to be just tough, okay, and slightly difficult. And here we assume an analysis that the cutoff of the AFCAT paper is 145 to 155, and AKT cutoff is going through the 40 to 50. So it is very easy to contain this cutoff, because this is a very low level of the cutoff, as we it is the half of the maximum marks. So these are the very low. Why? Because here the level of the EKT and AFCAT paper at this session or this year is going to be difficult, so the cutoff is going to be low. Okay, so these are the more information about the AFCAT and EKT, and overall analysis we say that the paper of EKT is going to be difficult, but not be very difficult. Okay, and also we said about analysis of the AFCAT paper, so this is easy, plus it is also moderate type of the question also asked in the AFCAT paper. So these are the information about the AFCAT on 3rd October. I hope this information is helpful for you. Thank you for watching.